You know, we got the old mower out. So, my yard's getting a little long since it's been 4 weeks since I was home and was able to mow it. So I gotta hit this off. Look how sweet his car is he just pulled out. Thing sounds awesome too. But anyways, we planting grass seed. Gonna weed whack, mow, go to the dump, return some cans. Hey. All right, so this video is definitely gonna be a video that I don't know about. I mean, it's just gonna be house stuff. But the thing is, my audience range is on average like age 35 to 55. About 80%, I think. Not gonna lie to you. So I don't think this video will do that bad. So basically, here's what we're dealing with. It's a wicked low spot right here, right? Like wicked bad. So this is what I edged from my sidewalk and cleaned up out there to find my driveway. This is this massive pile right here. So I'm gonna basically be leveling it out to fill in this kind of low section where it floods and ponds up bad. And then I gotta go dig this flower bed out. And I'm gonna put all the dirt over this. I gotta mow that too still. Everything else is mowed. You can see where the line is. But yeah. So basically, this flower bed's wicked high, and I want to do that window, and I'm gonna dig this whole thing down. It's gonna be rough because I gotta weed whack it first, but this whole bed I'm gonna try and dig down like to there. So we'll see how it goes, because I want to put a new window in here. I have one in the garage, so if I have the chance, if I get this done, then I'll be doing that. But as you can see, I want it down to about that height, and it's a little higher everywhere else. I got 2 stumps, but I'll liquefy those when the time comes. For now, though, I'm gonna hit this shit with the mower, probably weed whack it, and get after it. I'm also gonna clean up some of the wiring around the front of my house, but I'll show you that later. Or I probably won't show you that at all. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'll show you what I get done. So I finished the mowing, boys, and I kind of raked out all of my fill, dirt, leaves, and sod kind of stuff that was burying my sidewalk, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going. Jeez, I'm dying. Sorry. I'm going out here to these flower beds and in front of my house. Ooh, taco. But yeah, so basically my plan, like I told you, is to dig. I was weed whacking. My weed whacker, of course, died halfway through because I have a stupid electric one I got for free. Can't be mad at what I got for free, I guess, but the batteries got charged. So I'm going to start shoveling this up. And out front, I already cleaned all this up. Scrape this once. Wow, there's a lot of ants. I got to do something about that. I wanted to do this one, but this is going to be a serious project, and I'm not getting into it till another day. For sure. But this front curb, I got to do. Because it's like, look at that. It's crap all the way down. So I'm going to run through it with a shovel and get it nice and clean. Basically, is my plan. There's weeds and stuff. I weed whack the front. Here's these wires I was telling you about. You see them there, and like messily running through there. And up there, it's a whole mess. But yeah, this whole thing is getting taken care of because I'm so tired of looking at this, and I don't know where half the stuff goes, and half the stuff isn't even connected to anything. So, I'm gonna clean that up, figure out what's going on, take most of it down, and yeah, you can see weed whacked this whole side all nice, and that's died right there. So I gotta do all this, but yeah, all right, I'm gonna show you guys that shit when it's done. Well, boys, men, there it is. Ladies, gents, whatever. Clean. All in the wheelbarrow. Yeah. Looks a little better, I think. This guy's been sitting down there all suspiciously for a minute now. But anyways, on to the flower bed. Okay, guys, side project on the main project of the flower bed. I have that window, and I'm putting it on where this plywood is. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now before I get back to doing the flower bed. All right, boys, there it is. I got the window in. I just used the chunks I had, okay? Don't judge me. I know I should have replaced all that, and I just didn't want to. I'm on a time frame, so I'm just not doing it, okay? It's good enough for now, okay? So I'm going to get back outside and keep, as you can see, there's the progress so far. I'm going to keep going. Got some stumps to work around, but I'm going to try and get the rest of this. Maybe some of that. We'll see how optimistic I'm feeling. But yeah, let's keep it. All right, folks. So for today, that'll end it on this video. I'm about to make another one on chopping the crap out of my truck with the grinder again, but this is what I got for the old flower bed. New window in. I'm gonna trim the foam, but I foam the shit out of it because I've had some leak issues, and I'm not really trying to deal with that again. But as you can see, I ran a lot of roots. This is a stump, that's a stump, that's a stump. So roots, so it made it kind of hard to dig this section out. But yeah, basically my plan is to stop it right about here. I'm gonna run it, I think, with this corner straight to here. I'm pulling all the sidewalk out anyways. All this is going, but I think I want my like flower bed to be here, or deck. I think I might do a deck here, low key. I'm thinking about it. But if I do, I'll probably get rid of this stump too, stairs and this, turn that into a window because that door doesn't even open. And then if anything, my deck will wrap around right here, maybe a wrap around. But I got to remove all of this, so that's in the future, not today or anytime soon. Right, later.